Join me as I will take you to a lively tour of the school, exploring the moments that make this week truly special. From exciting activities to a memorable experiences, I will bring you all the latest buzz from the campus. Rakhi is a beautiful symbol of love, care, and the special bond between brothers and sisters. The students celebrated this bond by showing their active participation in Rakhi in Bharatiya Raksha Parv, an initiative by Dainik Jagran. Let me share an insight of this engaging events and witness the enthusiasm, determination, and wonderful team spirit. This quiz provided students an opportunity to learn, think, and collaborate as a team. Students participated with great enthusiasm, determination. The quiz provided them an exciting platform to sharpen their minds, think strategically, and work together as a team.
The students returned with several prizes and accolades, making our school proud. Their impressive performances reflected their confidence, creativity, and exceptional abilities. Creativity lies in the minds of our young students, which is visible from the recognitions they have received in such a large competition. Excellence, perseverance, and dedication are always worthy of recognition. It is a matter of immense pride to share the remarkable achievements of our young talents who participated in the Brush to Stroke of Brilliance organized at the Alma Mater. Talent, dedication, and hard work always deserves to be celebrated. We are happy to share the proud moments of our young achievers who participated in the Bareilly Talent League held at IMA. Sports creates discipline, and discipline creates confidence. That sheer self-confidence is visible on the champion faces of our students. It is always a pride to see our young stars shine. Whether it's in sports, academics, or CCA, MSPS students are everywhere. The children brought home numerous prizes and accolades. Their outstanding performances have made our school proud and showcased their confidence, creativity, and remarkable talent.
Prize of rupees 1100.
Not only academics and CCA, sports is also one of the best things in which MSPS students are proficient. Our school was awarded the Best School Award at the IMA, showcasing relentless efforts of the children as well as the management.
All those students who have participated from the school side.
Here you can see the happy students from their victory with the esteemed principal ma'am. Not only the students, but the teachers of MSPS are also a pride for the school.
Delegation.
The children, along with our esteemed principal ma'am, are celebrating their victory at the IMA.
A beautiful page begins with a steady hand and a creative mind. The tiny tots were given an opportunity to showcase their neatness, patience, and writing skills through an intra-class English writing competition organized by the school. Let me share the beautiful moments and impressive writing from this special competition, where the young participants put in their best efforts onto paper. Every letter, every word, and every line reflected their sincere effort.
The creative minds of the students are in full active mode, and their creativity is being implemented on the extremely innovative projects made by them. The students are looking all set for the mega event which will be unfolded soon. Their excitement is clearly visible on their faces.
Rakhi is a beautiful bond of love, care, and togetherness. To make this occasion even more meaningful, the students of classes 1st and 2nd participated in intra-class Rakhi making competition.
Right from the physics lab, here we are at the bio lab, where we can see from exciting experiments to thoughtful working models. Every project is reflecting the students' hard work and enthusiasm for learning. The latent talent of the students is discovered through a plethora of activities conducted at the school. So, here, heading towards the physics lab, where students' excitement is at its peak as Savishkar 2026 is round the corner. At the heart of every vibrant school community lies the well-being of its students, and as we shift towards a more holistic view of education, we at Madhav Rao Sandhya try to showcase the unique talent of our students. The prize distribution ceremony by our respected Managing Director Ma'am added a special touch to the celebration. To appreciate their sincere efforts and remarkable participation, the deserving students were felicitated with trophies and certificates. The smiles of pride and joy on their faces made the ceremony truly memorable. These prizes are given on the basis of the efficiency and the thoughtful innovation by the students in their respective models. These accolades have increased the confidence of the students and have taken it to the sky high. No event is
Creating
said to be completed
something
without the
and
words and
innovating,
blessings of our mentors.
putting your mind together in
Our
something
esteemed manager,
useful
sir,
for the
was
society,
enough to
for the
highlight
school,
and
for
showcase
yourself,
the
and for the
significance
nation.
of Savishkar
It
2026
helps you
for the
along
students
building team,
and the teachers,
teamwork,
the whole school.
discipline.
Here are the proud and hard-working winners of Savishkar 2026 in a group photograph with our esteemed manager sir, managing director ma'am, and principal ma'am. Let me take you to the glimpse and the highlights of the much-awaited event Savishkar 2026, where students showcased their creativity, knowledge, and innovative ideas through interesting models and projects. The event began with the ribbon cutting ceremony by respected manager ma'am. Beyond the models and experiments, the exhibition was a celebration of learning through exploration and science. It provided students with an opportunity to think creatively, work collaboratively, and develop the confidence to present their ideas. The esteemed authorities were aptly watching the ideas presented by the children. The exhibition showcased how students had transformed their ideas into meaningful working models. Their curiosity, planning, and understanding of scientific concepts was highly appreciated by our esteemed mentors and authorities. You can guess about the brilliance of our students' innovation, as even our esteemed mentors are so much curious about their functioning and questioning each one of the young minds here. Here we can see that the entire management is part of the school exhibition Savishkar 2026 with their new approach and fresh thinkings. Here we present the young little champs of MSPS who are also enjoying the Savishkar 2026 and exploring a new world. It is a kind of a new adventure for their young minds. No event can be concluded without the presence of the one who guides us in every single phase of our life. So here are the parents curiously looking at what the students have innovatively produced. The exhibition was a vibrant reflection of learning, with each project showcasing the students' dedication, creativity, and sincere efforts. The efforts and hard work of the students were immensely appreciated and praised by the parents. The students presented their models with great excitement and explained their concepts with confidence and clarity. The presence of parents and guardians added a special warmth as they observed and felt elated at the efforts of the young exhibitors. As you can see, the non-participants have also arrived to have a look at the Savishkar 2026. The school believes that none of the students should be left from having a look at such a unique program, so that these students who are non-participants can be the performers and the participants in the next or the future exhibitions. As you can see, the non-participants have also arrived to have a look at the Savishkar 2026. The school believes that every single student should be allowed to look at the exhibition so that they can learn the innovative and creative thinking, so that they can become the future participants of such programs and Savishkar itself.